We're excited about our new listing in Nanticoke Acres. Let's take a look. Inviting living room coming in the front door. Love the split floor plan as we enter the owner suite, which has 2 closets, one being a walk-in, and the highlight of the home is the owner's bath with double bowl vanity, soaking tub, separate shower, and linen closet. This home has been renovated nearly top to bottom. We have a new kitchen, plenty of cabinetry space, new quartz countertops, new appliances, extra stand-up freezer, stack washer dryer, whole house water filtration system with softener. Spacious dining area, which leads to the separate family room with wood-burning fireplace and built-ins. Large bedroom, shared bath, and secondary bedroom. The Nanticoke Acres neighborhood is at the far end of Nanticoke Road outside of Salisbury. Sits right on the Nanticoke River, has its own community dock and a public boat ramp only a mile away. Call my cell to schedule your showing.